Teen dies during fight, 15-year-old cousin taken into custody. Policeman shot at ATM in Spanish Town. Body of mentally ill man found at Folly Oval in Portland. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A 15-year-old girl from Waitabit in Trelawney is now dead after she became unresponsive during a fight in her community on Tuesday. She is Nastasia Turner. Reports from the Waitabit police are that about 6 p.m., Nastasia was involved in a fight with her cousin, another girl, when she fell and hit her head. Nastasia became unresponsive and was taken to the hospital where she was pronounced dead upon arrival, the police stated. The other girl, who is also 15 years old, is now in police custody. The police said investigations are continuing. A policeman was shot and injured Wednesday afternoon while at an automated teller machine along Old Harbour Road in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. The police inspector, who is attached to the St. Catherine North Police Division, was rushed to the Spanish Town General Hospital where he is being treated. A man said to be of unsound mind was found dead at Folly Oval in Port Antonio, Portland on Wednesday. Police, who have identified the deceased as Andre Weston, of no fixed address, believed he was killed between 4 p.m. Sunday, March 12, and early Tuesday morning. Investigations are still ongoing.